Hello students, today you're going to create a paragraph essay. You're only going to begin it today and then you will continue working on it throughout the week. But this is how you're going to make your essay or write your essay. First, click on the create button in your drive. So make sure you log out to your Gmail, click on drive, and then click on create. You're going to use a document where it says untitled, name it now. Where it says rename document, write your first name and your last name, and then compare and contrast essay. Once you're done, there's your name of your essay. Now this toolbar, I'm going to walk you through it very briefly. This one changes the type of letter. Please leave it on Arial. You can use Courier or Times New Roman. Most college essays need to be Times New Roman. You can change the font size to 12 but no bigger. You can't use a bigger font size than that. Do not change the color of the letters. It's very unprofessional when somebody changes the color of the letters. So make sure they stay on the traditional black. Now to put a heading, this button right here, that's in the middle of the paper. You can just write compare and contrast essay. And the topic is hurricanes versus tornadoes. Now everybody should have the same title. This title here is a little different, so I know of course who each paper is coming from, but this title here can be the same. Once you're done, you can push enter, and remember, if this video is going too fast, do it side by side or rewind the video. Push enter about 4 times, and then this button here, left align, that's why your paragraph is written from left to right. You should always indent. Indent is your finger spaces, but since there's no finger spaces, you can just push on the tab key and it does it automatically. And then begin. The first paragraph should be about what the essay is all about, like an introduction. What are you going to be talking about in the rest of the paper? For example, I'll give you a topic sentence. You can, of course, feel free to use a different one. You can consider this as your sentence starter. In this paper, comma, I will compare and contrast, and then you get the idea. You can continue from there. Now remember, each paragraph, the minimum, there's no exact rule, but the minimum should be about 3 to 4 sentences per paragraph. Anything less than 3 or 4 sentences is not truly a paragraph. So make sure you have about 3 to 4 sentences in the first paragraph. So the first paragraph should be your introduction. Your second paragraph is going to be comparing hurricanes and tornadoes. Your third paragraph can be contrasting hurricanes and tornadoes. How are they different? And then your last paragraph can be your conclusion. What did you learn from doing this research? And what do you think at the end? So that should be a total of 4 paragraphs. Your introduction, your 2 body paragraphs, which is one is comparing, how are they the same? Contrasting, how are they different? And then a final paragraph. And if you do want to have a title slide or pictures at the end, that is fine with me. Let's say the essay is over, you just can go insert and then image, and then you can find pictures to like support what you're trying to say on the search bar. That's of course optional. It might help your grade depending on how strong your essay is, but the actual essay is the most important part. Okay, and if you need more specifics, they're on the blog, and that's it. Raise your hand if you need help with technology or if you're stuck with anything. All right, have a good day. Oh, I'm sorry, one last quick thing. Make sure you share it before the day is over, even if it's not done. That way I can see what you're doing so far. So click on share, then go to private here. Only you can go anyone with a link, and then from can view, please change this to can edit. That means I can change anything that's misspelled. I can give you feedback. So change it to can edit and then save. It must say can edit here. It's very, very important. And then once it's there, of course, this is you who made it. This will say your name instead of mine. Here, just type in both emails just to be sure. Send it to LA Luna, LA Alliance, and also send it to, comma, Mr. Luna Science. That way I have it in both emails. In case it didn't get to one, it will get to the other one. Alright, now that's the end of this video. Have a good day.